In this video, we will learn how to download FiveM on PC. In Grand Theft Auto 5, FiveM is required to play the roleplay mode that the GTA 5 online community offers, and in order to download FiveM, it is extremely simple. All you need to do is firstly, after opening up your browser, in the search panel of your browser, type in FiveM, then hit enter. After that, the FiveM website will appear in front of you. All you need to do is head into this website. From here, download client of the FiveM exe. In here, you'll need to read the terms of service of FiveM. You can read it or not read it, it's completely up to you. After you are sure that you want to proceed, just click on agree. And FiveM will start downloading. After the download is complete, you will see this FiveM file. All you need to do is double click on it and the rest of the download procedure will begin shortly. After the download is done, it will say to you to detect the exe file of GTA 5. All you need to do is head to the installation location of Grand Theft Auto and select the exe file of GTA 5, and the download and installation procedure will complete. So this is how you can easily download the FiveM for your GTA 5 roleplay and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.